In this series, I'll be looking at what is needed to operate a computer repair / manufacturing business. I'll be covering two main areas, repairs and manufacturing. This series will start with repairs and then we'll move on to manufacturing in later videos. Before starting, it's worth knowing a bit about me. I work for an OEM that manufactures desktops, laptops and tablets that run Microsoft Windows. I have worked in all areas of the business, from support to manufacturing, warehouse management, logistics and even customer services, but I'm not going to go into detail in all areas of working for an OEM. I would like to stress that this series isn't a complete guide, and for anyone interested in starting a business should also look at local laws and requirements for running a business. The areas that we'll be looking at are knowing what services you will offer, tools, computer repair software, basic repair processes, understanding Windows pre-installation environment, creating a useful tools USB, testing software, basic manufacturing processes, using bill of materials for manufacturing computers, and finally creating Windows images using Express Deployment Tool. So, what services will you offer? Repairing desktops only, maybe laptops as well, or you're more skilled and can repair mobile phones or even tablets. Before starting a business, it is wise to establish what services you will offer. For this series, I will be starting a fictional computer repair company called Contoso. I will offer repairs on desktops and laptops as well as manufacturing computers. Once establishing what services you will offer, make a list of what these are and a brief summary of how it will work. For example, desktop repair, $60 an hour, not including parts. How it will work. Step 1, the client will bring the desktop to the repair centre. Step 2, establish what work is needed as well as offering backup and hardware testing. Step 3, log this in the ticketing system and provide the ticket to the client. And finally, start the work that's needed. In the next video, we'll look at the tools needed for a computer repair / manufacturing business. If you'd like to see more of these videos, please consider subscribing.